So I love jigs, and I have a new one. I have a cabinet door that I made, and I want to put a soft close hinge on it. So I need the hole where this sets into the hole. And this jig by Kreg is how you do it perfectly. So you put your line and just take your speed square and stretch it out, because you want it to align with the 0 on this jig. You line it up like that, and then you clamp it. And then here's what's actually doing the cutting. And you put this collar on it so you don't go too deep into the wood. And you just use a regular drill. And then it snaps back in. And then you just let it rip.